Eventually our time on Earth is going to run out. Just like dinosaurs went extinct 66 million years ago due to a chain reaction of cataclysmic events. In some millions of years, humanity too will have to deal with a variety of both internal and external threats. Elon Musk, however, doesn't want it. To stop humans from going extinct, he's been trying to do something. But when will the Earth be destroyed, and what is Mr. Musk doing about it? Without any further ado, let's find out. Welcome to Space Journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on space, SpaceX, and the man none other than Elon Musk. As we all know, Elon Musk is enthusiastic about developing technology that is beneficial to people, and all of the work he does is aimed at improving people's lives. The man doesn't want to see humans go extinct since they are the only smart, innovative beings in the universe as of now. For that, Mr. Musk is investing a lot of money into building the Starship rocket with SpaceX, which he hopes will put people on Mars by 2026. Yet his dreams are much more ambitious, and he believes it's possible to build a self-sustaining colony on Mars. Ultimately, Mr. Musk thinks it's inevitable that ships will stop arriving from Earth one day. If life on Earth is extinguished before we have colonized on Mars, then our civilization is doomed. So we'd better have everything a civilization needs on Mars. It might be World War III or a slow decline of civilization that stops the Earth's ships. As Mr. Musk spoke previously about the decline and collapse of great civilizations like the Roman Empire, the Babylonians, and the Sumerians, he believes we are on the cusp of seeing the same thing happen on a global scale. Civilization here on Earth could end with a bang or a whimper, depending on how it evolves. For example, a bang would be an unexpected asteroid hit like the one that killed 2/3 of Earth's life 66 million years ago. While no such threat is known to exist today, space agencies like SpaceX, NASA, and Roscosmos are already preparing for it. As Mr. Musk said, but it could also be like a whole series of things, like what killed the dinosaurs. Well, it wasn't just one thing, it was a whole bunch of things that happened in a row. You may be able to relate this to pandemics, but trust me, it is not the end. Aside from that, the Tesla CEO said SpaceX's new Starship spacecraft could help humanity move to other planets. It's designed for deep space travel, and it's being built at a SpaceX facility in Boca Chica, Texas. And Musk has previously said that he hopes to send 1 million people to Mars in his lifetime, using a 1,000-strong fleet of the 290 feet tall rockets, and the fundamental breakthrough that is needed is a fully and rapidly reusable rocket. He did add, though, that the first human flights aboard Starship could happen in 5 years. He said, "I think we will launch Starship sometime next year, close to August. We will run it in automatic mode, which means without people. And I think it will be safe for people in 3 years, but definitely 4 years." SpaceX, however, did hop a test of its Starflight rocket tank prototype earlier this month. It's still early in Starship's development, but engineers have been working on it for years. Nevertheless, it'll be the world's most powerful spacecraft. He also tweeted about the Starship, saying Starship will launch into orbit atop a 28-engine SpaceX Super Heavy rocket booster. According to SpaceX, the vehicle will reach speeds of 15,000 miles per hour. Besides that, a number of other companies are also working on creating reusable rockets for future missions into space, including Blue Origin, which is owned by Amazon's Jeff Bezos. Musk also outlined his Starship plans in a series of tweets earlier this year, saying that anyone could travel to space regardless of income. He tweeted, "It needs to be such that anyone could go if they want, with loans available for those who don't have money." Nevertheless, Musk warned us not only about natural threats, but also about technological threats. Additionally, he warned us about superintelligence, which is a form of artificial intelligence that could create an immortal dictator. Musk said in a documentary by an American filmmaker, Chris Payne, that the development of a superintelligence by a company or other group of people might lead to the creation of an artificial intelligence that governs the world. However, he said, the least scary future I can think of is one where we have at least democratized AI. Because if one company or small group of people manages to develop godlike digital superintelligence, they could take over the world. But at least when there's an evil dictator, that human is going to die. But for an AI, there would be no death. It would live forever, and then you could have an immortal dictator from which we can never escape. Almost like a real immortal god. But along with the documentary by Payne, which examines a number of examples of AI such as autonomous weapons, Wall Street technology, and algorithms that drive fake news, it also draws from cultural examples of AI, including the 1999 film The Matrix and the 2016 film Ex Machina. As an example of a company trying to develop superintelligence, Musk pointed to Google's DeepMind. It was seen as a major achievement in the development of AI after IBM's Deep Blue computer beat Garry Kasparov at chess in 1997. He said at the NGA meeting, "I have exposure to very cutting-edge artificial intelligence, and I think people should be concerned." He added, "Until people see robots going down the street killing people, they don't know how to react because it seems so ethereal. AI is the rare case where I think we should be proactive about regulation instead of reactive, because by the time we're reactive, it'll be too late. AI is a fundamental risk to the existence of human civilization, and if AI has a goal and humanity just happens to be in the way, it will destroy humanity as a matter of course without even thinking about it. No hard feelings. It's just like if we were building a road and an anthill just happens to be in the way, we don't hate ants, we're just building a road, so goodbye anthill." Earlier this year, Musk warned that the race to AI might lead to a third world war. He says the technology could be more dangerous than a nuclear war with North Korea. He thinks humans should merge with AI so they don't become irrelevant. In a startup called Neuralink, he reportedly wants to connect the human brain to a computer. He even left OpenAI, an organization for promoting and developing AI safely. If the wealthiest man on the planet is scared of AI, that shows how scary it could be. Almost everything comes with a pinch of bitterness, as we all know. AI could be so useful in so many fields, like medical, technical production, education, etc. Leave the goddamn AI. Let's just follow Musk's lead here and get settled on Mars before Ultron takes on Earth. Anyway, apart from jokes, what do you think about human extinction? Let us know in the comments below. And most importantly, if you want to be updated on every single topic related to Elon Musk, then you should consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the bell icon. See you in the next one. Until then, peace out.